Okay, so I'm going to be going over some code I wrote to download music from Bandcamp. I have this album here. So just go run, paste. I'll just go through how I'll just go through it working, and then I'll go through the code and we'll check out how it works. So we've just got the first one, and there's 13 tracks. Now it's nothing like gay, like we actually have to be on this screen. You can like go around or check out other stuff while it's doing its thing in the background, which is fine. And you can see already that this pop-up here might be an issue. We do have a solution for that. I don't think we really need to see the rest. Like, it's pretty self-explanatory. It's just going through each link in here, given that I've given it this. So we will examine how it works. Not that one, this one. Fuck off. Okay. So first of all, we'll do this one from BS4 import Beautiful Soup, HTML parser, used to get the tracks from Bandcamp album link. Okay, HTML parser meaning that it's getting the HTML and we can do things with it. I think that's what that means. I don't actually know. From requests.html, import HTML session. And the from import, I don't know if this is right, but I think it's just, instead of importing just these, if you do from and then import, you can use these as like shorthand, so you don't have to do bs4 dot beautiful soup, I think. And you can see that it's pretty useful here when these are very long. Anyway, this one opens HTML to be passed by Beautiful Soup, true. From Selenium import WebDriver, the big one opens a VM of Chrome basically, which we saw. Import by, which, yeah, you'll see it down here somewhere, by. WebDriver wait, that's a timer. EC, expected conditions, is like a true or false. It's used with timer within try except loops because it can bring up an error, true. Name of the error if time runs out. Yeah, that's true. We'll see that down there somewhere. See it right there actually. So the URL we're using is offmp3.com/process URL. And the download is, this is when we pasted in the Bandcamp link. We probably don't even need this. I don't know. Fuck it, whatever. Ask the user to paste the link, obviously. Now begin scraping for Bandcamp tracks. True, because these three here are just, we only use them to get the Bandcamp tracks given the album. So if we, yeah. Now this, also we want this out of the whole loop because everything's within this for loop. So yeah, we better initialize it outside. Well, yeah, whatever. Flag 1, yeah, we need that outside the loop. Bandcamp tracks come up twice for whatever reason. This flag is set, so it only comes up once. We'll get into that in a little bit. So if we'll link in soup.findAll, so find all A is anything with these. So I'll just go into a random website. So we go inspect. Well, yeah, you know what I'm talking about though. Maybe. Fuck it. Maybe I should have just done view page source. Oh, fucking hell. Alright, whatever. That doesn't even matter. Fuck off. Yeah, anyway. We are searching for specific bandcamp links. So we're searching, usually links are contained within a tags. I think they're called tags. I don't even know. So yeah, we'll use that in a sec. So if we find the track in the link, which is this, if you don't know what a for loop is, you better look that up because I'm not really going to explain it. Oh, maybe I will. Nah, fuck yeah. Doesn't even matter. Well, yeah, it does matter. I'm not going to explain it. If track is in link, so link is a beautiful soup object, string turns it into a string. We're asking if the string track is anywhere in that string. True. That's what we're doing. Get link equals download dot split, turning the string download into an array. Right, yes, that's what split does. Separated by and replacing that. True, because it's a link. We need to split it like that. Because normally split does it by spaces. But if you set it to do that, then you can get, this is the first string, this is actually the third string, but yeah, fourth string, fifth string. And then we can do another for loop for I and get link -2. -2 calls all the items in the array except for the last two. The last two are album and album name, which we want to replace with the track. There was probably a way to do this with Beautiful Soup, like get URL or some shit, I don't know. Yeah, I didn't really bother working that out because I knew that I would, fuck off, what? Because I knew that this would work anyway, so I didn't, fucking hell. So I didn't bother to learn that. So the master, we set that to null up here. Well, null. Why did I even say that? We set it to nothing up here, but now we're using it. We basically set it up there because could we have just kept it like that? I'm trying to think. We don't actually need, I don't actually think we need this inside this loop. We probably could have done it outside. Because it's just calling download, it's just calling this up here. Doesn't really matter. Oh, yeah. That means we only have to, that means we just do this once. Yeah, right. Oh well. Doesn't even matter, who cares? It still works, so I don't really even care that much. Download link equals master+link.get href. Right. Ah, okay. I see what I did. So yeah, it returns this stupid object as a string, a link. If we find this in the string, then what we actually want is we want the whole thing, which is href. I didn't actually write an explanation for this. Link.get href. What did the one do? I fucking forgot. One, I think, doesn't that just ignore the first thing? Fuck, I don't even remember. Fuck me. I was testing this before. Yeah, I don't know. I'll have to look into that. I forgot why I did that. But it works, so who cares? But yeah, anyway, link.get href obviously gets the link because links are under hrefs, sort of thing. Now, this is where the flag one comes in. We set it up here. If it equals download link, the reason we set flag one is at the top, it's a loop. If we see to flick track, it'll go to the next one. Yeah, continue. Obviously ignores the rest of this and goes to the next link in soup.findAllA. Question mark, the byte track links have question mark in the title, hashtag, lyric links have hashtag in the title. Okay, so we don't want those either. Driver.get URL plus download link. So download link obviously being each individual track title, which is what this entire loop is. This is each individual track title, and we want to download each individual track. So yeah, driver.get URL. This actually opens Chrome. I should probably write that as a comment. Opens Chrome to the off MP3 with track title. Now we use this a lot. I use this a lot in testing because when you bring up the main, fuck off. Why can't I do this? Oh, okay, it just wasn't cooperating. Fucking hell, it's slow. Actually, I just need a track. What was I even talking about? Ah, this, yeah, XPath. Here, I can actually show you this. Fuck me, it brings you up to this stupid website. 9xpath, alright, yeah, so inspect. We do Control F, search by string, selection of XPath, we do this, boom, it's that. That's what it is. And finding out this was a real pain in the ass, but during testing when I was on this screen, every single time I could just call this, no, not that. I could call this and download it, and that would work, and that was really encouraging for me. This actually was like really fucking hard to figure out too, because I didn't know what XPath was when I started. You're also probably wondering, why do we need Selenium when we have these HTML parsers up here? And the reason is because this link here does not exist in the source code. You can do a search. Fuck off. Why are you gay? You can do a search for that, and it's not going to come up anywhere. Does download MP3 even come up anywhere? It does. It does, but you see what I mean? So Beautiful Soup can only work with HTML, which is all of this. We needed something to work with JavaScript or whatever the fuck this is. Now, someone smarter than me could get the script that this is using and do it themselves without going through this emulating the website loop thing, but I'm not that smart, so this will do. What else was I saying? We never end up using this code, but this was a pivotal point in the design process, which is why I saved it. Yeah, in case I need to use it again. Fuck me, I can't scroll. Yeah, so this, when wait is called, Chrome waits 10 seconds before continuing the code. True, I think that's true, I don't actually know. For Z in range 5, try 5 times and give up. Try wait.until, which is this, until this becomes true. So URL changes from this to something else. Wait.until is wait 10 seconds, or until URL changes is true. Yeah, true. I've kept this commented and this commented in case I need to use this. This was something I couldn't figure out also. Should should probably do click. This was like a pop-up, and I couldn't figure out how to like get past it. So instead, I've got a different solution down there. Presence of element located, blah blah blah. So it's the same as this, but it's just in a wait.until. So it's as soon as it's available, it'll click it, sort of thing. The code that actually clicks our download button, similar to above code, but within the timer function. Yeah. So what that means is that it'll either wait 10 seconds or it'll wait, basically it just waits until we can click it, sort of thing, and it's got a 10-second time frame to do it in. So try, if this brings up an error, it'll see if it's this error, timeout exception. We imported this earlier, true, and try it refresh. So basically if it runs out of time, we'll just refresh and try again. I don't actually know if this code works because I've never had that happen. Maybe I should give it a test one day, but like I don't really care because it works. Now, if the error was not this, it'll do this, which is clicking. Sometimes like a little pop-up will come up here when it's did we see it before? I think we did, yeah, I think we saw it before. So if we couldn't find the download button, it means some pop-up shit was on top of it. I can't read that. This is the solution for one of the pop-ups. Test code below for the other one. Other ones. I think there was just one more, but whatever. Actually, I think the test. Yeah, true, yeah. Oh, okay. I've got this in there twice. Except driver.find element. Yeah, that was another pop-up. Flag equals download link, which it checks for after there. If flag equals download link. So basically, if it's the same, then fucking don't worry about it. And then driver.exit, but I can just exit it myself. Fine. And that's it. That is the automatic Bandcamp downloader. We'll try it again. We'll see if, oh my god, we'll see if it works. Might not. We already saw if it works, so like if it comes up with that stupid thing that it sometimes comes up with, then, oh no, there we go. So that's the pop-up I was talking about. That's the one that's actually in there. The one that's not commented out. Man. This was a real pain in the ass to build, but I'm glad it works. Look at it go. It's pretty cool. It was very daunting to try and figure all this out, because like I don't really know HTML, I don't really know JavaScript. So like how the fuck am I supposed to figure out XPath? I only saw this, I think I saw this on Stack Overflow. Someone used this line of code and I was thinking, hey, maybe I could use that. And it fucking worked. I actually can't believe it worked. I would be back to the drawing board if this didn't work. That's pretty cool. Oh, thanks for watching. If you want it, I can DM it to anyone that wants it. Alright, bye.